Everyone, welcome to lecture 2 of the series called Theory of Automata and Formal Languages. In the last class, we discussed about what are the basic symbols that you must know before constructing any finite automata. So I have a question here. So we are going to solve and see how those symbols are actually utilized. So the question says that you have to make or define a finite automata that accepts a string AB, right? So we are going to basically construct a finite state machine that would be accepting the string specifically only including about AB, right? So as I told you in the last lecture, that any initial state you are going to represent with a circle which has an arrow at the front. Now this state, on taking the input symbol A, right, goes to another state which is Q1, and since after A we need a B that should be followed by, and we need to accept only this part, so this Q1 on taking B will actually go to a final state, and that state will be named as Q2. And I told you that any final state will be represented by two concentric circles. So this is the basic diagram of a finite automata only specifically designed for this particular language, which is accepting a string simply called as AB. So Q0 on A goes to Q1. Q1 taking B actually goes to a final state called Q2, right? So now we are going to finally write the official definition of a deterministic finite automata. Now, from where this deterministic word came? So deterministic finite automata. What is the meaning of deterministic here? So if you see Q0 specifically on A goes to Q1, right? So ये फिक्स है कि Q0 हमेशा A को लेकर Q1 पर ही जाएगा, right? There is no way कि Q0 A को लेकर किसी और स्टेट पर जा रहा हो. It is not like कि Q1 B को लेकर किसी और स्टेट पर जा रहा हो. So this is fixed. This is deterministic. That is Q0 हमेशा A को लेकर किस स्टेट पर जाएगा? Q1. So this is called as deterministic finite automata. So any deterministic finite automata, let's take that as a machine M. So हम एक finite state machine जो भी हम draw करेंगे या construct करेंगे उसको हम M से represent कर रहे हैं. And the definition of deterministic finite automata basically includes of certain symbols here, right? So the machine will include a capital Q, a symbol of input symbols, a Q0, an F, and a transition function. Now, don't worry, we are going to discuss each of these terms with respect to the above question we have solved. So what is Q here? Q is nothing but set of internal states. What is the meaning of internal states? जो भी states आपकी फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा को कंस्ट्रक्ट करने में यूज हुई हैं उनको हम कैपिटल Q से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सिंस इट इज अ सेट, सो डेफिनेटली इट इज गोइंग टू इंक्लूड मोर देन वन वैल्यूज. सो एज पर द अबव क्वेश्चन यू कैन गेस इजिली कि हमारे कैपिटल Q के अंदर कौन सी स्टेट्स आने वाली हैं. All the three states which we utilized in actually constructing our finite automata, right? The second symbol here, this is nothing but set of input symbols. ठीक है. Now what are set of input symbols? यानी कि जो भी finite automata हमने बनाया है वो कौन से input symbols को ले करके अपनी states को change कर रहा है. So this particular question actually used two input symbols, that was A and B, right? Second is Q0, which is our initial state. This we have actually talked about in the last lecture also. So initial state हमारी यहाँ पर कौन सी बनी हुई है? You can see here the one which has this arrow at the front. So this is nothing but Q0, right? Next is the final state. So capital F is nothing but your final state. And as you can see, what was the final state? The state with the two concentric circles. So for us, for this particular question, Q2 actually becomes the final state. Now this is very, very important. This is the transition function. So you all must actually know that how exactly you are going to define any transition function, right? So how do you define a transition function? You define it that any internal state means either of these on taking an input symbol AB, right? It can be any of the input symbol, actually goes to another state. So हमें पता है कि जो भी state हम इनपुट सिंबल के साथ ट्रांजिशन परफॉर्म करेंगे वो एक दूसरी इंटरनल स्टेट पर ही जाएगी, विच विल ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर सेट ओनली, राइट? सो इफ आई राइट दिस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आर क्वेश्चन दैट वी सॉल्व्ड अबव, सो वी विल सी दैट Q naught on A actually goes to which state? Q1, right? So this is a transition function. जब भी आपको transition function define करने के लिए आएगा, so you are going to say that कोई भी internal state किसी भी इनपुट सिंबल को लेकर के एक दूसरी इंटरनल स्टेट पर जाएगी, और ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार दूसरे पर जाए, कब कभी हो सकता है कि Q नॉट A को लेकर के सेल्फ Q नॉट पर भी जाए. सो दैट मीन्स कि एनी स्टेट on taking A might actually come back to its own state, right? So this type of transition is also allowed, which is actually called as a loop, which we do it within that state itself. We'll look at further questions on this topic. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you in lecture number 3 of this series.